Hello YouTube, this is my update on my baseboard. So this is what I got so far. I built the baseboard to save space in my bedroom. I built it over my bed so I can sleep underneath the baseboard, and that way I still got heaps of room. So I can watch a movie, play video games, and so on. So what I have got so far is I've laid down the cork, ready for the flexi track to be laid when it comes in. The reason I changed my mind with flexi track is because I brought these. And the trouble with these set track is that because it's like that, so that means I've got to solder that, and that, and all the way around, which is too much wire. So the good thing about flexi track is it doesn't take as much wire to use. So that's the reason why. But the good news is, like, when I ordered the set track, I didn't order everything to complete the layout. So I'm just using the set track to map out where's the track going to go by following this plan. So instead of like using a ruler, a radius, and draw a circle with a pencil, I've just been doing this. So I just get my bit of track aside because I don't have a tripod, and then I connect that, glue the cork, bash it with a nail, and then just twist the cork. And then when the glue sets, lift the track up and do it, and repeat the process. So this is the outline of the track where it's going to go. So it's going to be around there, around there. There's going to be a bridge there, meet there, comes right around, and back into there. So, and there's going to be a new plan, which is just an extension. So I'm going to have another track here, and that's going to put in a tunnel. So this is all going to be tunnel, and I'm going to have a big viaduct bridge that goes all the way from there and back around, because this section here is going to be raised up so that the bridge can go over the track. And so I'm going to close this off with make a tunnel, and just to break it up. And my good news is that I got this turntable. So instead of having this where it says on the plan right there, I'm going to have my turntable if I get it out. So hang on. Turntable right there. So that gives plenty of room for a roundhouse, which is really good because I can use it. So I thought, but I could, like, if I really, really wanted to, I reckon I could still build that and still have a turntable in there. But I'm not going to, because it's really no point. Well, maybe I might, but probably 80% I won't. So that'll be good. So that's what I got. And hopefully, just waiting on more points. And then I'll have a train running around soon. And thanks for watching.